Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to check your screen time by specific applications on your iPad or iPhone. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I will show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy. So let's jump into it. First of all, you want to open your settings, and in the settings menu, here at the left side, if you scroll down, you will see the screen time menu. It's right below the do not disturb mode and above the general settings mode. When you open the screen time panel up, you will see this general information, the daily average screen time, and all these specific setting options. But if you tap on the see all activity, then you can open up the whole statistics panel, and here you can see every single application that you have used and the time that you used it for days or weeks, or you can even go back. So it's very specific, and you can see all the data, which is very cool. And this is one of the things why the iOS and why Apple is a lot better than other companies. On Android, for example, to see these kind of statistics, you have to download applications, and it's quite complicated. So let's see what we have here. We have screen time. Here, as you can see, it has three sections for me because I don't use other types of apps. The main one for me is creativity. The second one is education with 18 minutes, and the third one is social with 6 minutes, which is pretty cool. Most used apps, the most used is Procreate. The second most used is settings, because I'm doing these videos for you, explaining how the iPad and iPhone settings work. That's why Duolingo, Elevate, so a few educational apps, YouTube, yeah. Here are the pickups. How many times did you open these apps? Also, and notifications, which is very interesting and cool. You can see from which app do you receive the most notifications. As you can see, for me, the most notifications is from Revolut, which is a financial app. All my purchases are here, that's why I have a lot of notifications here. Second one is Google Calendar, Gmail, Messenger. So these are the main statistics, but as you can see, I can even scroll down and see all the specific applications, even the very short time amount. And then you can switch to week, and you can check your week. Also, as you can see, this week I used 3 hours, almost 4 hours of creativity apps, 3 hours entertainment, and 2 hours productivity and finance. Yeah, quite nice statistics here. And all the same for the other apps, as you can see. Oh wow, I have a lot of notifications from Messenger as well. Yeah, so that's how you can check your activity, screen time activity statistics on iPad or iPhone. It's all the same. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful for you, please consider subscribing, because that would be really helpful for me. And see you in the next one. Bye.